Hello, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your Medibang Pro when you have this error. So as you can see, I have my Medibang Pro here, and if I try to install it, let's say I run it as an administrator, I set it as English, and then it says use Medibang Paint Pro. You need to install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Do you want to install it? And I click yes. So I'm going to get this error. I'm going to get an error, just wait for it. You see, it says here the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package installation failed. Stop the installation of Medibang Pro. Results 1638. So this is a problem that I faced, and I tried to install it and I couldn't install my Medibang Pro. So I researched on how to do that, and I found this way of installing it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now, and it's very easy, by the way. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to try to install it again, and this time what I'm going to do, I'll click OK and I'll click no. See here, you don't want to click yes. What you want to do is click no. So that's actually all you have to do. All you have to do is just click no. So if you click no, you're going to have this stuff here, and then you can continue to install your Medibang Pro. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to click next, and I'll say create a shortcut, desktop shortcut, and I'll click next, and I'll click install. So that's actually how you do it, and this was actually hard for me to figure it out. I had to do research to install it. As you can see now, the Medibang Pro has completed the installation. So I'm going to show you guys the Medibang Pro here. So I'll just go here, and you can see it here. I'll open the Medibang Pro, and as you can see now, I have my Medibang Pro. As you can see it. So, but before that, I'm going to just try to see if I can draw some stuff here. So as you can see, my Medibang Pro is working perfectly fine. So if you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video.